wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best earthquake kits. Let's get started with the list. At number 9, the Ready America 70280 Emergency can sustain 2 people for up to 3 days. It's got food, water and blankets, so you can stave off the cold if need be. The light sticks help you see in the dark or signal authorities. It includes a 33-piece medical kit and a whistle to alert first responders, but the included multi-tool is poorly made. At number 8, the Get Ready Now Personal 72-hour has you covered when the sun goes down. It's got a mini lantern as well as a headlamp, glow sticks and a flashlight, so no one in your family will have to be without illumination in the dark. It all comes in a clear plastic tote for visibility with waste disposal bags. However, the first aid supplies are a bit lacking. Coming in at number 7 on our list, if you're more worried about being trapped in your home than ending up on the move, the Mayday Deluxe offers a bucket that contains a pry bar, a water shut-off tool and waste bags in case you have to use the bathroom and can't walk off into the woods. It includes 4 solar blankets and waterproof matches too, but the lid doesn't lock in place. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for earthquake kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Emergency Zone Family Prep comes in an unmarked backpack in case you're worried about having your supplies stolen before you can use them. It includes a 48-page preparedness guide to walk you through what you need to do when the unthinkable happens. It includes a tube tent and sleeping bags, along with water purification packets. However, there are no batteries for the radio. Moving up our list to number 5, the first My Family 4F kit is a sizable option that includes rations for 4 people. It also comes with work gloves and masks in case you're dealing with collapsed buildings or contaminated air. The food is nut-free to avoid allergy issues. It includes 2 boxes of matches and mylar blankets for warmth, but both of the packs are quite heavy. At number 4, if you're on the road a lot and you want to make sure you'll be safe if you get caught in your car, the EC Emergency may be your best bet. The included knife features a window breaker and a seatbelt cutter to get you out of your vehicle in a hurry. The case is waterproof and it comes with a length of tow rope. However, it is on the expensive side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the redfora Complete is available in several sizes to match how many are in your family, from 1 to 6 people. In addition to food and water, it includes a hand crank phone charger, which is very useful for when the power goes out for days. It also comes with a multifunctional knife, 50 feet of paracord and a handy sewing kit. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for earthquake kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the everlit emergency bag comes with one of the sturdiest packs on the market, complete with molly webbing and tie-down straps to ensure your load doesn't shift around uncomfortably. It also includes 100 feet of paracord, which is useful for a variety of situations. It features a reliable compass, pink glow sticks and N95 respirators. And taking the top spot on our list, the Sustain Supply Company includes a portable stove for cooking and boiling water, along with bowls and utensils to help maintain a sense of normalcy. The first aid kit is stocked with bandages, pain relievers, ointment, gauze, and a guide to emergency care. The food has a 30-year shelf life, and it comes with 24 packets of water too. There's room to add more items as well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for earthquake kits, or simply click beneath this video.